Welcome back, guys. Today we will be solving a design question. So, the question of the day is design alarm clock for blind. So, the first thing which we discuss is कि सबसे पहले हमें clarifying questions पूछने होते हैं. So, if I talk about like what is blind, so here the question is, are they completely blind or partially blind? Like by blind, there are like different uh, on the spectrum. It's a whole spectrum. So are they like completely blind or like partially blind? And I also want to understand, like, are these blind people living alone or they are living with their families or some kind of support system, like someone is around them. So if they are living alone, then the solution will be designed according to them only. But if they are having like some support or like they are living within a family or something, so then it will be designed uh, so that other people can also use the same alarm clock. Otherwise it doesn't make sense कि वो alarm clock सिर्फ blind people use कर रहे हैं और दूसरे लोग use नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. So for this case I will be taking the case that they have like people around them, they are living with their families. Also, next thing is, what is the goal which we want to target? So as a company, if we are, let's say, designing a alarm clock, so it will be to increase the number of units sold. Okay. And should I be aware of any constraints? You can ask the interviewer. Now once we have done ask the clarifying questions, you should also go and talk about the structure which you will be following. So I'm assuming that this is the first kind of its own product, so there is no competitive market out there. um, and I will be going through first the customer persona whom I will be targeting, and then maybe through the user journey, the user persona, the user journey, and then through the solutions, like pain points and solutions. So I'm targeting on the blind individuals who are living with their families. So even someone else can also use this alarm clock. What and when they need this alarm clock? One is to they want to check the time. Okay, what is the time right now? So that is like the main need. Other thing can be they want to wake up early, so that's why they need alarm clock. Other thing can be they want to set a timer, so they might need an alarm clock. So these are like the functional jobs they are trying to do. Other emotional job is they want to feel independent and in control, and the social job will be like allow me to function like anyone else without assistance. So these are like their functional, emotional, and social job they are trying to do. So coming to the thing, like if we will talk about the journey, so the first thing is, how will they know the time? Because they are blind, they can't see the time. So basically you need a button, something like that, where if you press on it, it gives a audio playback along with the visual feedback. Okay, this is the time. But you don't want to make them that every time they are pressing the button and it beeps up so loud. So you want to have like a softer tones around after 9 p.m. or something like that. Now that is to check the time. Now after checking the time, they also want to set the alarm clock. So for setting the alarm clock, they can have like a rotating kind of dial for the hour and minute clock. So if they rotate one like there can be a haptic feedback, so it is like 1 hour plus. So if it is like 9 a.m., if they have like rotated it once, so it will go to 10 a.m. If they have rotated it more, it will go to 11 a.m., something like that. And same for minutes, you can have like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. And you don't need to be ultra precise, because it's very rare that they want to set like 9 a.m., 1 minute, that kind of thing. Um, Other thing is like if they want to know whether the alarm is like on, turned on, or off right now. So what I'm thinking of is there can be a lever, right? So which they can touch and know. So if the lever is like upwards, so alarm is on, and if the lever is downwards, it means the alarm is off right now. So this is how I am thinking of. So for the timer thing, like the same button can be used, the one button which they press to know the timing. If they press it a little longer, it can set up a timer. It can go into the timer mode, and once it has gone into the timer mode, then they can again adjust those dialers to um, adjust the timer if they want to. So the whole idea is like to keep the solution simple, and so they don't have to remember so many modes. There is less cognitive load, and it is also environment friendly. um, so this is the solution. Coming to the metrics, I will say it is like the number of alarm clocks purchased, and secondary metrics can be how many of those are returns, how many are like complaints, and customer calls are there. uh, Customer support calls are coming for these. um, so yeah, now I will like summarize the whole solution. So I started with like few clarifying questions, then going through the user persona I will be targeting, going through the user journey and their key pain points, which were they want to check the time, they want to wake up on early, and they want to set timer, and like solutions for those, and some key metrics. Feel free to leave a comment if something I am missing. That's it for this video. See you next time. Thanks. Bye bye.